Welcome to our learning portal of class 11th. Okay, so we have studied relations and a bit of functions as well. Today we are going to learn about characteristics of some special kind of functions. So for example, say linear function. Linear function is a function f of x equal to mx plus c degree 1. Okay, linear function, you will get a straight line whenever you plot this. Now coming to identity function, y equal to x, or I mean f of x equal to x is called identity function. It is an identity because x equal to 2, then y will be 2, x3 y will be 3, x4 y will be 4, y equal to x. So identity function, if you plot the graph, you will get a straight line like this, okay, in the slope of 45 degree. Now constant function, y equal to f of x, c. F of x equal to c is a constant function. So say for example y equal to 3. How to plot this graph? 1, 2, 3. No matter x takes whatever value, y will be 3 always. So you get a line thereby parallel to x-axis. Same way, if x equal to 5, then x equal to 5, no matter whatever the value, so you get a parallel line with y-axis. Now coming to modulus function. F of x is mod x. Okay, modulus function. Mod x is x for every x greater than or equal to 0. Mod x is minus x for x being less than 0. Is called a modulus function. For example, 5 का modulus 5 है, minus 5 का modulus क्या होगा? Minus 5 का, x is less than 0, it is coming minus x. So minus 5 will come minus of minus 5. So eventually it will be 5. Minus of minus 5 will be 5. Agree? So whenever you take any value, x को आप negative लीजिए या positive लीजिए, you will get always y is positive because y equal to f of x. Okay, f of x is y, so y modulus x will be, you get a graph of this kind. Understand? Now coming to greater integer function, greatest integer function. Greatest integer function is f of x is this, in this manner it is being written, where x is the greatest integer less than x. Greatest integer less than x. So for example 1.9. 1.9, can you tell me the greatest integer which is less than or equal to 1.9? That will be 1. Greatest integer which is less than or equal to 2, that is 2. 2.7 say, greatest integer which is less than or equal to 2.7 is 2. So, and the graph will be of this kind of graph. 0 to 1 it comes, 1, 2, whatever the less will be, always this will be coming like this. Okay? Understand? So, unless it's 2, then it cannot jump like that. So, this is the nature of the graph. You can plot, you can visualize, you can go for it to understand that. Now coming certain questions, when we take examples of certain questions. Say find the domain, it's a rational function given to us. Find the domain of the relation, rational function f of x equal to this. So how to find the domain of this? Now see, whenever we are talking about a rational function, the denominator must not be equal to 0. The denominator must not equal to be 0. Once the denominator becomes 0, it cannot be defined. Therefore, let us go for splitting the middle term, and we are getting this not equal to 0. So x minus 4 should not be equal to 4. X must not be equal to 1. Okay. So domain of f will be set of all real numbers except 1 and 4. Except 1 and 4. This is the way of attempting this kind of questions. Now one more interesting question is given to us. The relation f is defined by f of x is defined x square for all the values lying between, closely lying between 0 to 3. Okay, inclusive 0 and 3. And f of x is 3x, x greater than or equal to 3 and less than or equal to 10. This is the function given, f of x, relation given, say, and the g is also a relation given. The g of x is x square for all the values lying closely between 0 to 2 and 3x lying closely, inclusive 2 brackets 2 and 10. Now the question says that so that f is a function, that relation is a function, while g is not a function. So how to find out this? f of x, whenever 0 you put 0, 1 you get 1, 2 you get 4, 3 you get 9, 3 you get 9. Here also 3 is there, so 3 you put, you get 9, 4, 5, and it goes like that. So f of x, you first find the ordered pairs, right? G of x also, let us try to find the ordered pairs. 0, 0, 0, 1 and 1, 2 and 4, 2 पे यहाँ कंप्लीट हो गया, यहाँ पे भी 2 है इंक्लूडिव, सो यहाँ पे 2, 6 आ गया. So what you are getting, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4, 2, 6, 3, 9. So f is a function, you can see, but g is not a function because of these two. 2, 4 and 2 is going to 4, 2 is going also to 6. One-many relation is not a function. Therefore, g is not a function while f is a function. Now say for example, let us take one more example. Find the domain and range of the relation of the function given by real function defined by f of x is modulus of x minus 1. X minus 1, by the definition, x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0, and minus of x minus 1, minus of x minus 1 will be x minus 1 less than 0. Okay, इसको और सिंप्लीफाई मैनर्स में हम लिख सकते हैं ऐसे, x माइनस 1 ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 1, 1 माइनस x लेस देन 1. ओके, इसको इसी को सिंप्लीफाई करके हम लिख सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ डोमेन विल बी नो मैटर, ऑल द रियल नंबर्स, बट व्हाट विल हैपन टू द रेंज. रेंज अगर आप देखोगे, आप वैल्यूज पुट करते जाएंगे, हम रियल नंबर्स निगेटिव से पॉजिटिव से जो भी पुट करेंगे, ये निगेटिव कभी नहीं आएगा, नेवर इट विल कम. ओके, बिकॉज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू में यही दिखना है. लेस देन 1 में नेगेटिव वैल्यूज पुट करेंगे तो ये पॉजिटिव बनेगा. दैट मीन्स रेंज विल बी मोर देन 0. सो 0 इंक्लूडिंग 0, 0 to infinity or non-negative real numbers. This is the manner to attempt these kind of questions. Thank you.